Hey y'all, today's tip is coming from an extremely old cookbook, but I really want to drive this point home for you. I want you to get this tip, okay? This is an old cookbook, Better Homes and Garden, the new cookbook, okay? Let's look at oatmeal cookies. Let's look at the oatmeal cookie recipe. And the tip is that I want you to get into practice, if you're using recipes, to read the recipe thoroughly, or else you might not understand what needs to be done. So as you look on here, all of these listed ingredients, you may go through the recipe and just read this and say, okay, I can make it. But what you might be missing is that if you don't have buttermilk or sour milk, which is just milk that's got acid in it, like lemon or vinegar or something like that, if you don't have those, it's telling you to look at this asterisk. And so you go down here to where the asterisk is, and it says, or you can use sweet milk, which is just regular milk, and then reduce the baking soda, because the book is old, they call baking soda soda. You will reduce the baking soda up here to 1/4, and you would use 2 teaspoons of baking powder instead of 1 teaspoon of baking powder. That's why you need to read the entire recipe from front and from ingredients to instructions all the way through. And what I want to encourage you to do is, when you do that, envision yourself in the kitchen with all of these ingredients already laid out and measured and ready to go, because you really shouldn't do anything until you read this at least a couple of times to get in your head, okay, this is the process that I'm getting ready to go through. All right, so that's the tip today. Read the recipe thoroughly from start to bottom, and do it twice, and understand, feel yourself in your mind's eye exactly what you're going to be doing and how you're going to measure all out your ingredients to be ready to go. So, because that's really how you should cook. You should have all your stuff measured out and ready to go. You should not be running a marathon or a sprint in your kitchen, okay? That's the tip for y'all today. I'm Dale Taylor. Y'all go out and make it a great day, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye now.